We're going to look at rolling like a ball, which is just a really fun exercise and is designed to be a little bit dynamic with the added challenge of can you find your balance. So we're going to sit down on our bum. Hands are going to kind of grab your shins so that they're spread around your feet like that. And we're going to keep those legs together, elbows on the outside of your knees. From here, you're going to walk yourself back, so you're just balancing on the back of your sit bone. Now, can you be here is the first challenge. Can you stay here? Because this is the point you're going to come back to. Pull down into your shins, and at the same time, lift your shins up to go back. And then press your feet down to the floor to come back up again. Okay, so the aim is that you don't stay back there. So we go up and we go back. So we're trying to find this movement, find that little bit of a pause, roll through your whole spine, and we're trying not to undershoot it like I did the first time, or overshoot it to get your feet back down to the floor. So can you find that little bit of a balanced place, keeping your breath and controlling your momentum before you go back up and down? We're going to do one more of those. Pause at the top, find that balance, and well done. Pop your feet down. There's rolling like a ball.